Why should you start a mobile accessories store? Well, let's break it down. First, high demand. Everyone needs accessories to protect and enhance their phones, whether it's a stylish case, a fast charger, or a handy power bank. Second, it's a lucrative market. The mobile accessories market is booming and expected to grow. You can tap into this growing demand and make a good profit. Third, low entry costs. Compared to other retail businesses, setting up a mobile accessories store online doesn't require a large investment. You can start small and scale up as your business grows. And finally, a diversified product range. There are endless possibilities when it comes to mobile accessories. You can offer cases, screen protectors, cables, chargers, and even unique gadgets that complement smartphones. To get started, decide what products you want to sell. Phone cases are a popular choice. Consider different styles: minimalist, rugged, designer, and eco-friendly. High-quality screen protectors are always in demand. Offer a range of chargers including fast chargers, USB cables, wireless chargers, and multi-port chargers. Power banks are a must-have for people on the go. With the rise of wireless technology, Bluetooth headphones and earbuds are a hit. And think about offering additional accessories like phone stands, car mounts, and pop sockets to differentiate your store. Now that you know what products you want to sell, it's time to source them. First, find suppliers. Use platforms like Alibaba, AliExpress, or even local suppliers if you prefer. Always order samples to check the quality before committing to bulk orders. If you don't want to manage inventory, consider dropshipping. This way, suppliers handle the shipping process. And if you want to create a brand identity, consider private labeling products with your store's logo or custom packaging. Setting up an online store is the next step. Choose a platform. Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy are popular choices. Shopify is great for e-commerce stores. WooCommerce integrates seamlessly with WordPress, and Etsy is ideal for niche products. Your store should be user-friendly, attractive, and easy to navigate. Include high-quality images, clear product descriptions, and an easy checkout process. Use keywords like mobile accessories, phone cases, charger, screen protector in product titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search engine visibility. And provide a variety of payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, and Stripe to cater to all customers. Step 4. Market your mobile accessories store. Marketing your store is crucial to attracting customers. Here's how to do it. First, social media marketing. Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are perfect platforms for showcasing your products. Post high-quality images, customer reviews, and design inspiration. Second, influencer partnerships. Partner with tech influencers or bloggers who focus on mobile accessories. Their endorsement can help you reach a broader audience. Third, content marketing. Create valuable content like blog posts, tutorials, and videos about how to choose and use mobile accessories. And finally, email marketing. Regularly communicate with your customers through newsletters. Share product updates, special offers, and new arrivals. Step 5. Provide excellent customer service. Good customer service is essential for building trust and loyalty. Here's how to excel. First, quick response time. Be available via email, live chat, or social media to answer questions and address concerns promptly. Second, clear policies. Clearly communicate your shipping, return, and refund policies on your website. Third, personalized service. Offer customized product recommendations based on customer preferences and needs. And finally, follow-up. Send thank you emails, order updates, and requests for reviews to keep customers engaged and satisfied. Common mistakes to avoid. When starting a mobile accessories store online, it's important to avoid common mistakes. First, poor quality products. Always prioritize quality over price. Bad quality products can lead to negative reviews and low sales. Second, overlooking customer feedback. Pay attention to customer reviews and use the feedback to improve your products and services. Third, ignoring market trends. Keep an eye on the latest trends in the mobile accessories market and adapt accordingly. And finally, neglecting SEO. Ensure that your product titles, descriptions, and tags are optimized for search engines to attract organic traffic. Conclusion: your mobile accessories business is ready to grow. Starting an online mobile accessories store can be a profitable venture. With the right products, effective marketing, and excellent customer service, you can build a successful business. Ready to take the plunge? If you have any more questions or need more tips, click on the link on your screen to watch the next video. Let's continue building your business journey together.